Okay, so it has finally arrived. What we have is the Lian Li TU150 Mini-ITX case. This is going to be for my new personal rig, so I'm super stoked about it. As you can see, I got it in black, and apparently it comes in gray, which I didn't even know about, but the darker the better. So let's take a look inside and see what we got.
I think Lian Li has done a really good job with this case. It has everything I wanted, like a spot for a 3.5-inch hard drive, only SFX PSU to conserve space, nice side window, and a good price. And even has the handle, which I thought I wouldn't use, but is actually really convenient. Once I took this out of the box, I noticed it was rocking back and forth. Turns out one of the feet broke off during shipping. Looks like it completely snapped off, so I contacted Lian Li, and Baron from over there hooked me up with a new one, so cheers to that. All else that really came in the box was the manual and screws, which was expected. Here on the inside we have the front panel ports, which include audio, USB Type-C, 3.0 header, reset and power, and the power supply cable. Everything feels solid, you can tell by just listening. Same with the handle. It's a good feeling having everything ready to put together. I think this is the perfect case for any type of hardware since it's so versatile. The temps aren't too bad considering there's only one fan to exhaust the hot air out. Lian Li uses screwless panels with pins that pop into place, similarly to the Dan Case A4 SFX. As you can see, I'm using the i9 CPU, the new Asus motherboard with a revolutionary I/O shield, and last but definitely not least, the RTX 2080 Ti you know and love. I was really impressed with the motherboard. It has all the features you need, even a Type-C header to take advantage of the case's ports. Make sure the standoffs are in place and just throw the motherboard in there. I added some of my own thermal paste to the CPU instead of what comes pre-installed with a liquid cooler, although I'm sure that's just fine as well. It was a little tricky putting these two fans on at the same time, but just messing around with it was able to get it into place. These Corsair fans are actually not compatible with this motherboard, and I found out the hard way because my smartass didn't do any research beforehand. I actually found out a way to connect it though. If you want to check it out, I posted a video about it and I'll keep a link in the description. I forgot to mention I also have a 6TB hard drive that I had from an old external drive. Those use rubber grommets and slide into place. I had to reinstall the power supply a couple times to run the cables, but left that out. Pre-planning always helps with these kind of things. Cable management was good. They give you a decent amount of space and it was fun to do, but remember they use those pins for the side panels, so you'll have to be careful because there might be a bulge on the side if the cables stick out too much. Luckily there wasn't much on mine and was able to close fine. If you can see, there's a deep cool fan splitter I grabbed from Amazon last minute to be able to use all the fans, as again I forgot this motherboard doesn't have enough fan headers. I think the best part is finally installing the GPU after you spent hours building everything else. And voila! I couldn't be happier with it. It all came together nicely. It took long, but I think it was worth it. I wanted to show you it side by side with my old case, which is the Dan Case A4 SFX. I did a quick rough comparison between the two in temps. As you can see, quite a difference, especially on the CPU. That was using a cryorig CU with a knock to a fan attached to it. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and off to play some games.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. I hope you liked it. If you want, leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.